Good morning from snowy New Jersey. Good morning. So I'm having eggs. I put a little bit of salsa. I put some spinach in, but you know spinach wilts down so quick. So it looked like a lot more when I put it in the pan. And a half a slice of bacon and some orange juice. So my dear friend Susie, hey Suze. We have challenged each other to make these no-bake energy bites. She told me about this recipe, sent me a link. The recipe is online. I mean, just Google it if you want to know. But basically, I put a cup of oats, a bunch of peanut butter. Maybe that's a half cup. Maybe that's a full cup. I have no idea. Some honey, some vanilla, chocolate chips. And I'm going to mix this together and try to make a bite. So the wind is really picking up. We probably have about a foot of snow out there so far, and it's only in the morning time. And now they're saying that we might get like 2 to 2.5 feet. So that's totally insane. All right, y'all. Here are my no-bake bites. Again, peanut butter, chocolate chips, oats, honey. I put some Nutella in there. The recipe I found online did not have Nutella, but I know my daughter likes Nutella, so I thought, let me add some of this Nutella business. And I had leftover red and green chocolate chips from Christmas, so there you have it, people. I tried one, they're good. My daughter tried one, she loves it. My son tried it and he started gagging and spit it out, so not sure what that means. In the baking mood, I'm going to make these Ghirardelli double chocolate brownies for my kids and my husband. I got this at Aldi, I think for $1.39 on sale. So here we go. Ready to go outside? All right, let's go. Go ahead, buddy. Ooh, he's peeing already. So yeah, clearly normally he runs around the yard for a little bit, but he literally went right out and that's it. And he's ready to come back and literally right away. Okay. So that van's buried deep. Our neighbors were amazing and had the energy to dig out their cars already. We are gonna wait till this is over, I think, because we're supposed to get like another foot. Wow, you can hear the wind. I'm sure you can't hear it on tape, but it's a doozy, people. It's a doozy. Good afternoon here in Jersey. Still coming down real hard, people. That little mound there was a something. I don't even know what was under there. So see those little sticks sticking up? I had a plant there. It's about 1.5 feet high. And it's covered. So yeah. I'd say we probably have 1.5 feet out there. Just my guesstimate. Jersey blizzard. Hashtag Jonas. Yeah, guys, it's really bad out there.
I'll let you make a flip. Want to see another flip? Yeah. After you go off another ramp.
Chewy, ready to go out again?
Yeah.
Can't open the door. That's not a good sign.
He's going here.
Whoa.
Mom, here.
Go ahead, Chewy. That's not a good sign. Go ahead, bud.
Why is the orange right there?